Do young people slow dance? Now, the reason that I asked this question is because Orange Mound is connected to the slow dance. You see, in 1965, a 25-year-old singer recorded a song called Ooh Baby Baby. His name was Smokey Robinson, who recorded for Detroit's Motown. Now, I want you to see and hear Smokey Robinson, and we will connect Smokey Robinson and Orange Mound. Listen to a little bit of Smokey Robinson.
My heart went out to play, but in the game I lost you. What a price to pay. Hey, I'm crying.
Smokey Robinson calls Orange Mound his community because his mother came from Orange Mound, and when he was a kid, he would visit his family in Orange Mound.
Memphis, I'm from Memphis by proxy, man. My mother was born here, and born and raised. So I've been coming to Memphis all my life. So I'm very excited about it. It's family for me, man, because like I said, I kind of grew up here too, So Memphis is way, way, way high on my list of places, because like I said, from the time I was born, I was coming here. And until my grandmother passed, I was coming regularly. My grandmother passed when I was 15, So my grandmother lived in Orange Mound, and I would come here and visit her. She lived on Carnes Avenue, and I'd come and visit her. And and I got cousins and people here, so Memphis is very much into my life, and I'm very much into Memphis because, like I said, don't be from Memphis, I might not even be here.
Black lives and Black history matter. Learn the untold and the unknown story of Orange Mound. Visit our website, www.orangemoundablacklecture.criticalracetheory.com. Learn the untold and unknown story of Orange Mound.